Alright, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your engine oil data light. So when that light comes on that you've seen in the thumbnail, that means you have to change your oil. So I'm going to just show you how to reset that after you've already changed your oil, hopefully. Okay, first you're going to just turn your key to the on position. So everything lights up on your dash. And then we're going to want to take your trip meter and put it in the A reading. See, there's trip A. Okay, now turn your key back off. Now you know it's on trip A. Now while you're going to hold your trip button to reset it, there's a button down here. You're going to hold that button in and you're going to turn your key to the on position. And you're going to see some lines come across here. When all them lines disappear, then you can let go of the button. So let me try that, because I got to do this with like 3 hands. Okay, there. Those lines all disappeared. Now my oil maintenance data light is reset. Now let me try it out. I'll start my truck up and it should be gone. See? Everything except for my tire. One of my tires must be low, but light is off. So just to recap that, you're going to want to turn your key on. Make sure you have trip A on, not B or odometer. You want trip A on. Turn your key off. Then you got to hold that button in. Turn your key on till all them lines disappear. Then let go. That's how you reset it. Well, I hope this video helped you out. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.